things that we really don't mean.
Hey you all, it's your girl Nita561 and I am back for another video, but this is actually a lock video, one that I have not done in some time. Now I actually had this gentleman here hit me up and he wanted me to do some maintenance on his locks and reattach some. He has been growing his hair for 11 years. You guys, I have not worked on locks this long. I have a coworker whose hair is about the same length, but it is not 11 years old. This head of locks is actually past his behind, like it's extremely long. But anyway, so he presented his issue to me, which was basically the 4 locks in the front. Over time they have fallen out, they have thinned and fallen out. So he wanted to go ahead and cut 4 off from the back and attach them to the front. And here you'll see me doing so. Fuzzed out the locks that I did cut and fuzzed out the one that I'll be reattaching. And the tool, of course, is from my good old friend DXLYN, and this was a double-headed prong needle. So as you see here, basically you make sure that both ends are fuzzy. Put both ends of the hair in your hand and you're basically just knotting it up. It's really hard for me to do it with my hands open. I really can't. So that's why I tried to show you guys the best way that I know how to do it and see how it's attached here. And now I'm gonna go back in and clean it up and make it look smooth and uniform, like it just grew straight out his scalp. So that's what I'm doing now, is just cleaning it up. Now, like I had mentioned before, we had cut those 4 locks that we added to the front from the back. So here you see me slowly picking out what was left of the lock, because we're going to comb it completely out and basically add them to the locks that are nearby. So you'll slowly see me do that here. I did speed it up some because this can take for a very long time. And I know y'all probably skipping through this anyways. But like I said, I'm just slowly but carefully combing out the entire lock so I can split it up to add to the locks nearby. All right, so here I went ahead and combed out all the 4 areas from which the locks were cut. And I'm just showing you guys how we're gonna go ahead and fix this up and make it look nice and neat. Y'all see how long this is? Yes. Make sure it's nice and neat when we're done. So now you see me sectioning off small little pieces and just adding them to the locks that are nearby. Same tool, same process. Make sure it's nice, neat, and tight. And it looks like nothing's been added. It's been like that for a long time. just had to show you this. Like, do you see how long his locks are? My goodness, it was really a pleasure working on hair this long. And you know, trying your patience and your style techniques to see what you could really do with someone's hair that's this long, but his hair is very long. So finishing touches is just putting some oil on there just to make sure everything is well lubricated. And of course, a lot of people want two-strand twist styles. Basically, it's like a 3-in-1, because now I'm about to go ahead and put it in like basically a fishbone. But after a couple weeks, you could take that down and just walk the two-strand twist. And then in a couple weeks from that, you can actually take that out and just go ahead and have your hair curly, or however it looks when you go ahead and take these out. But like I said, I had a great time working with this client. We had a great conversation. Hopefully this video will help you guys with attaching your locks and you creating your own style and technique of attaching locks for others. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll try my best to respond to those, and you guys have a great day.